In this video, you will learn how an empty mind can change your life. Today, you will discover why your problem is not your destiny, but your crowded mind. After this video, you will learn how emptying your mind can truly change your life. There was a young man named Arif. From outside, everyone thought he was successful, but inside, his life was a mess. Every day, he watched motivational videos. He followed many famous people. He read many books, but nothing was changing. His mind was tired. His heart was heavy. He felt lost. One night, he said to himself, "I know so much, but I am going nowhere." The next day, he went to a wise old master. Arif said, "Master, my head is full of knowledge, but my life is still empty. Please help me." The master looked at him silently and said, "Come tomorrow morning. Come with an empty cup." Arif did not understand, but he came the next morning. The master sat near the window. Birds were singing outside. He took Arif's cup and started pouring tea. The cup was already full, but the master kept pouring. Tea flowed onto the floor. Arif stood up and shouted, "Please stop. The cup is full." The master slowly looked into his eyes and said, "Your mind is like this cup. It is already full of fear, full of anger, full of other people's opinions. How can I teach you anything when there is no space inside you?" Arif felt ashamed. The master said, "You watch many videos, but you do not practice. You listen to many people, but you do not understand yourself. First, empty your mind." Then he took Arif to a river. The water was flowing slowly. The air was quiet. The master said, "Sit here, close your eyes, forget your past, forget your future, just listen to the river." First, Arif could not stop thinking. He remembered his failures. He remembered people who hurt him. He worried about money. But slowly, the sound of water became louder. His thoughts became softer. Minutes passed, then more minutes. His mind became empty. For the first time in years, he felt peace. After a long silence, the master asked, "What do you feel now?" Arif said with tears in his eyes, "I feel light, like a big stone is removed from my chest." The master smiled gently and said, "This is the power of an empty mind. When your mind is empty, you are free. You can learn, you can grow, you can choose your own life." Arif went home that day as a different man. He stopped filling his mind with noise. He stopped wasting time. Every morning, he sat in silence for 5 minutes. Slowly, his life began to change. Not because he learned more, but because he finally emptied his mind first.